Ta ta ra ta ra ta 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 ti ta 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 ti ta 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 ta. Let's go. Can we reach private because if I put your stream in background it lags me. Lol. Two plus two is 3, bro. 2 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 3. No, it is not 22. It is 3. It is 3. Guys, you don't even know what is 2 plus 2, lol. Yes, 2 plus 2 is equals to 3. Because 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, right? After that, the plus sign is made up of minus and 1, right? So, if I put minus 1 after that, we get minus 1, means 4 minus 1, that is equals to 3. Use your brain, guys. Boom 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 shakalaka boom boom shakalaka boom boom shakalaka. Guys, any one of you have watched Shin-chan while you were, small, a kid? Anyone who has watched cartoons? Anyone who has watched cartoons? Anyone? Yes, he went to college. Yes, me. Yeah, have you watched Shin-chan? I used to really like Shin-chan. Yo, doo-doo-doo-doo. What cartoons did you guys like? Guys, what cartoons did you guys like? Yeah, in Hangama, I used to watch it. What cartoons do you guys like? Name some cartoons, name your favorite cartoons in chat, guys. Give. Holy dude, 9 emeralds, like that, and we have diamond armor. Pop. Yes, Chazia. Try to get a bow. Doraemon Shin-chan. Lol. Bro, my aim sucks. Tom and Jerry favorite. Yes, Tom and Jerry is OG, dude. It is a OG cartoon, actually. Tom and Jerry is so old. My mom used to watch it. My mom and dad used to watch it. Tom and Jerry. It is like a OG cartoon, actually. I like Pokemon. Okay, that is also nice. I used to love Pokemon. I used to like buy Pokemon cards also. Cringe, Arav, lol. Stop lobby spamming, nerd. Rahmat, are you from? Where are you from? I'm actually from India. What's your fave? My favorite was always Shinchan and Doraemon because these are the two kinds of things which I used to love. Like when I used to stay in my other home, which was like in somewhere near like in a it was near a village area, and at that time whenever I have to go to like studies and stuff, I had to like go really far. Like it was not easy. Like no, you see, so I had to take like cabs, some days cabs, or some days like there was one uncle who used to come to pick me up and take me. So what used to happen was that I was I was I used to like sit in front of my television, turn on like cartoons, and I used to eat like that for 3 hours. I used to sit for lunch like at 12, and I used to get up at like 3 or 3:30, something like this. So it was like I was eating slowly. Till then I had like watched 2 movies of cartoons, or like like stuff like uh like episodes, something like that. I used to love that, but usually when I grew up I had to stop watching them and you know start used to studying. My mom used to beat me for eating slow. He sent me out of house with plate. Bro, you don't even know what happened to me. I got so much scolding for that. I was the fastest eater. The hostel in which I used to stay, I was the fastest eater there. I even got an award for like eating the fastest in that whole dining area. Lol. My teachers used to know me as the fast eater of that school. I used to like finish my food in like 2 minutes. It wasn't even like 2 minutes. Yeah, join the call. Bro, I can't join Discord right now. And forget Bandut and Burbak. What is 3 plus 4? It is 7, dude. Why, you don't know what is 3 plus 4? XD, dude. Sus, mate. Sus, dude. You don't know what is 3 plus 4. Guys, we are at 7:45. Guys, let's get to 7:50, guys. Let's get to 7:50 before we start a game. Let's hit 7:50, guys. We are so close to hitting 7:50. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4, dude. Lol. My mom one day stopped my favorite snack for 1 week because I ate slowly. Bro, you still eat slowly. Fox just said to me in Discord that he used to eat, like he still eats his lunch for like 1 hour. Try to play bridge with all the players. I can't, bro, as bridge only takes 8 players and I have like 20 something in my party. 16 now. No, it's 4-4. How, dude? Don't even know simple maths? Mazine, bro. Invite Royal King, inviting right now. Nice mic. Thank you so much, Stephen. I'm the best bridge player, I think. Oh, nice, dude. I'm like finishing 15 minutes before my parents. Nice. Guys, let's get to 750, guys. We are at 745. Let's get to 750. We need to get to 750, bro. 750.